Myositis. Introduction. Myositis affects the voluntary muscles of the skeletal system. Select true or false. Correct. The skeletal muscles allow us to walk, run, write, and play. All types of myositis can cause weakness. Select true or false. Correct. All types of myositis cause weakness, but symptoms can be different for each type of myositis. There is no known cause of myositis. Select true or false. Correct. Some healthcare providers believe that viruses, drugs, and genetic factors can contribute to the disorder, but there is no known cause of myositis. There is no cure for myositis. Select true or false. Correct. Some forms of treatment may help relieve symptoms of myositis, but there is no cure. Thank you for using Explain.